So good day, sir. I'm Eliza Chin. We would like to discuss about the current trends and emerging technologies on this era. So the overview of these technologies, this information technologies and industry of the rise from the different structural job growth and emerging technology will shape in the coming years. Current trends are improving and presenting new function in fields like medicine, entertainment, businesses, education, marketing, and law enforcement, and more still. Is much anticipated. Technology is only new coming in the scene. So, like for example, the Internet of Things that we have now is automatic na dyan ang tanan. Is like for example, nagani ko sa farmers na mag-talk, kana bitaw magtanom, mag-ani, ug usa pa na diha magkuha na gayud ka ng una, mapadali na gayud di na kailangan nga tawo mapay mo kuan tanom nga karon na rin mga makina when it talk about like kuan medicine kanang example ng pag sa dental x-ray sa una way bunot sa ngipon ka maglisod pa ang sakit ng ngipon pero karon dali na then sa x-ray kung sa imong kuan mapa-check up ka dali na ang mga information makita dayon di sa una nga mga tambal-tambal pa pero karon medisina daghan na jud una na karon and businesses like for example the e-commerce mag-post lang to sa Shopee, TikTok, and other Lazada and etc. So, current trends in information technology. So, as of for now, many people are engaging using technology devices in shopping, communication, and other and etc. So the latest technology methods are best practices of 2019, were primarily stem from current trends in information technologies. So the advancements in IT systems relate to what is industry is learning toward this regarding now. So in information technology is advancing rapidly, the new development are quickly replacing current production. So karon mas mapadali na gayud nato no kanang like for example bitaw kaning magkuanta kaning mga current trends sa information karon AI, virtual reality, mga blockchains, cloud computing, mga big data analytics. So diri ma-discuss sa mga current trends kung unsa na gayud ato mga kuan ron mga advanced na gid ang mga technology using technology. So we started in cloud community. We'll discuss with my groupmates. So there are four current trends in information technologies using now. So number one is cloud computing, the next is mobile computing and application, and big data analytics, and also the automation.
A. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including server storage, databases, networking, software analytics, and intelligence over the internet or the cloud to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of skills. So, kaning cloud computing na diri ang mga applications, mga platforms and infrastructure. So, ang example sa cloud computing is emails, calendars, Skype, WhatsApp, and etc. So, kaning cloud computing, usa ni siya ka networking, usa ni siya ka network nga nga ang usa ka kumpanya maka-access. So, mas gipadali ang pag-access sa mga software database over this cloud computing or the internet. So next is mobile computing and applications. Mobile computing refers to technology that allows transmission of data, voice, and video via a computer or any other wireless enabled device. It is free from having a connection with a fixed physical link. It facilitates the users to move from one physical locations to another during communication, people to access information from anywhere at any time. So kaning mobile computing Using technology, nag-allow ni si Ja to transmit data, voice, and video using computer or any other wireless enabled device. Like example kanang pwede na ta maka-communicate sa atong family or sa atong loved ones nga ato sa laing lugar from anywhere at any time.
Good day, sir. My name is Repress Tagnepes. I'm here to discuss my assigned topic, which is big data analytics. Big data is a trend that allows business to analyze extensive sets of information to achieve a variety of increasing volume and growth of velocity. Big data analytics refers to the methods, tools, and application used to collect, process, to derive insights from varied high volume and high velocity data sets. These data sets may come from a variety of sources such as web, mobile, email, social media, and networked smart device. So, big data analytics is a tool using to methods and also analyze the large amount of data quickly from different sources like websites. Also magamit ang data analytics through website and social media, magamit po sa social media and of course in apps. Of course sa business need gamit ako yung gamit ang data analytics sa business. Example, ako as a student need ako og muna ko pang grades kay nabatay na ang gamay ra akong grades karon nga kuan mao nang mag-data analytic ko unsaon na pa-solution para mo dako ang grades mo nang mo mag-less ko og gamit og social media kaysa sa pagtuon daghanon na og tuon kaysa sa paggamit og social media. So mao ra to.
So, on this topic, we'll discuss the automation. So, automation, the word automation is nasud yun na to sa atong utok. It think that automatic ang mga gamitan, automatic nga itong gipanggamit karon. Like for example, automation is another current trend in IT industry. Is automated processes can collect information from vendors, customer, and other documentation. Automated processes to check invoice and other accounts payable aspect expedite customer interaction. So automation can even produce more job opportunities for IT professional trained in supporting programming and developing automated processes. So karon ang kaning automation gayud na bitaw maghimo sa mga IT ra na maghimo mga programmer dali ra ka mo mag-type ka rag mga ni mga word nga mga sabi tawag ana nila kung kuan pa mga keywords at automatic na na mo gawas nga mga price like example kada bitaw magbayad ta sa GCash magbayad ta sa cashier di ba i-scan na nila automatic na na mo gawas nga mga price mga kung usay pila ta na imong bill nga na then kani po mga gamit nato sumpa na sa automation kada bitaw type na nimo kanang sa katong give example lagi pakita ni sir nga sa ref nga igo na siya ning kita gituktok ra na dayon isige na makita na sa sulod di na kailangan i-update pa para mamingin ka karon tuktok ko na lamang na ingana nakadali sa panahon karon gusto na magkag sa una pa nga maglisod wa pa yung ref magkapanos-panos na mga suwa mga to so at the next we will discuss about the emerging and technology. So let's move the topic of emerging trends in information technology. So emerging trends in information technology is in 2019 are new and innovative ways for the industry to grow. Like for example, the AI, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchains, and etc. So these movements in information technology are the areas expected to generate revenue and increase demand for IT jobs. Pay attention to these technological changes and unique products that enhance business information. So karon gayud no kumo istorya tani mga emerging trends mugo sa pagkuna ala dali na jud ang panahon sa karon kay gamit na to technology kung tahiway technology kung to sa information siguro kung sa ako ra pod kay sa information sa technology maghatag nila ang atong needs gihap nga mga information mga nga dapat na ito masabtan basta tong and everything that we have nga example na namang aning AI kanang bitang mga meta ng bagong trends karon sa kuan sa messenger di ba bisag walay load makadata ka lang na mo-provide na ang meta nimo og information kung usa imong gusto i-search usa imong gusto masabtan and etc. So for in the emerging technologies, there are top five. So one of that is the AI nas or smart machine. Mo na niya nga tong look at the picture. So makita man jud nato ingana na jud ka kakuan ang panahon karon kadali ra i-AI ra nimo kung imong sa imong gusto mo sabtan sa imong life kami mga estudyante magamit man jud ng AI pod kaya na during mga time nga sa Google dili mo hatag tanan hindi ma-provide tanan information so sa AI mo explain jud nila bisag Tagalog pala Bisaya na mahatag jud sa AI mo na karon nga na kahit take bisa pag siguro mag-inchik-inchik ka na masabta siguro na diha sa AI no so karon so AI is so according to encyclopedia artificial intelligence is the ability of digital computers to control a robot to perform tasks. So that's commonly associated with intelligence beings. So the term is infrequently applied to project of developing system involved with the intellectual processes characteristic of humans such as the ability to reason, discover, and meaning and generalize or learn the past experience. So karon mahatag sa iya nga kung sinatabo sa una o karon pod murag na tapos mga boundaries nga asa ra ko to masabtan pero at least nakasabot ta kung may mga specific nga ihatag nila nga information sa ato nga inganin da ay tapos during this AI can do these tasks faster and more accurately than humans no di ba mas dali ko no kisa sa tao. So artificial intelligence are already being used in different organizations to help solve problems such as AI face recognition being to help with missing people reports. It was helped identify injuries criminal investigation when cameras have captured their image. So sa AI, pwede na po ito mahatag og image, din ilan na nang ihatag information, mag-scan nila. Nabito itong nga yaga nga AI nang now sa itong classmate niya. Describe this as makatawa lang ta ka ilagi pang describe na ibang katawan na kulit buhok nga na picture sa itong mga classmate bitaw ipayagaan na to nga na dyan ka grabe na bisig na mong picture lang hatag information sa AI ma-describe ka na niya pero yung sarili din mo ma-describe so
Good day, sir, once again. My name is Refro Sagnetes. I'm here to discuss my assigned topic, which is virtual reality. Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running a computer. Virtual reality is a term used for computer-generated 3D environment that allows the user to enter and interact with alternate realities. The definition of virtual is near, and the reality is what we experience as a human beings. Virtual reality application immerse in the user in a computer-generated environment that simulate reality through the use of an interactive device which and send and receive information and are worn and goggle, headset, gloves, and bodysuit. So virtual reality is a technology that create a simulated of 3D environment allowing user nga ma-feel na to nga naata sa different world ma-feel na to nga naata sa reality world but this all about makita reality world but it's all about using of computer also technology for example the when you use virtual reality is like a video game when I wear a headset kato headset bit ang cover na to diri nga i-upload sa atong nagbutang sa atong makita na tong around nga nata sa tinuod nga virtual reality like a forest nata sa dagat nata sa laing bansa. So mapadali na tungod sa mga high-tech nga technology, mapadali na atong mapag-interact, makit-interact ta through video games, mag-interact na laing tawo so sa laing bansa makit-interact ta. And also virtual reality making receive information like video call mako ano dito ang receive information for interaction. So mapadali na dili ta maadto para masisuroy pa anang lugar kung gusto na to lugar pwede na to kuan sa tong reality, pwede po mga fantasy kung gusto tong fantasy, but eventually it's all about true computer technology. It's all about ang napadagan ana isang computer. Thank you, sir, and that's all for today.
My reporting is augmented reality. For example, ng augmented reality is ER. Blind is the real world. This computer generated image is overlays. Digital information onto what you see in the real lives. A popular example na is a Pokemon Go, where virtual creators appear on your phone screen as if they're in your actual surrounding.
So the last part of my report is blockchain. Blockchain is a digital database or ledger that is distributed among the nodes of a peer-to-peer network. Blockchain data, like the new cryptocurrency Bitcoin, is a secure method will continue to grow in popularity and use in 2019. This system allows you to input additional data without changing, replacing, or deleting anything. So, ang blockchain has a power to transform industries from finance to healthcare and beyond. So, changing how we think about trust and data. So, kaning blockchain, this is not just about money, but it's about creating new way to interact with digital information. So, digital ledger, it keeps record for every transactions that has ever taken place in the network. So, ang kaning data ledger, nag-record ni si Jag mga transactions across network of computer. And that's all for my part of my report. Thank you.
Okay na. Internet of Things. Internet of Things that describe device with sensor processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and change data with other device and system over the internet of other communication networks. Ang LAT is mao ang technology nga naga-connect sa mga device sa atong environment like smartwatch, smartphone, aircon, and computer, etc.
5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. Like, maka-download na kaani mga videos nga ganahan mo and a few seconds or minutes. And 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multipurpose data speeds, ultra low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased ability, and a more uniform user experience to more user higher perform and improve of efficiency, empower new user experience, and connect new industries. So people in people kanang ladyo sa dahil ladyo na ka sa kuan like satellite ning makakonect gyapon ka kay na namatay bago nga kuan karon like 5G.